Now here's something in the Idaho 4 case I have never really understood. Now this is Bethany right here. Yes, from the Idaho 4. State of Idaho versus Brian Kohberger in the unaliving of 4 college off-campus students. Housing. So here is Claire, who likes to post. Thank you, Claire. And here is Yessie A. or R. And why is this important? Because they all know each other. They hang out. And it appears that Bethany likes to go every summer back to that area, back to where her friends are, back to where the lake is. I mean, summers in Idaho are absolutely beautiful. And, you know, Claire has some involvement in this case with just being friends. And I kind of think this is actually the Claire that perhaps allegedly Kaylee was supposed to go to Europe with. And here's just a few more friends pictures with YR in the middle of this picture. A couple of other people that you may recognize. And yet again, same individuals hanging out. Bethany's friend, YR. And again, just another picture. You can go back and look at the dates. Very important. And yet again, in the summer, Bethany, Dylan, some more friends. You kind of get the picture, right? And yes, Claire eventually did make it to Europe just recently. As I believe, allegedly, she may have been going to Europe with Kaylee, like I said. But yet, this is the part that throws me for a loop. They all know each other. So this YR girl, who is friends with all these other girls and frat members, was called by the defense to come to court to testify. I don't know what, don't know why, but Ann Taylor's office for the defense wanted her to come to court. And they did send a subpoena to be delivered via the Latah County Sheriff's. But the Latah County Sheriff's can't find her. Not found. Means she was not served. She has no idea. And on the date of this, right up here at the top, that was 6/13/2025, just weeks before Brian Kohberger took a plea deal. Weeks. Literally weeks. But yet all these other people knew where maybe they could find her. No? I mean, there are some other individuals that were subpoenaed that I'll talk about in another video. But I just want to make sure I understand this because I found the document where, well, let me show you. So this is in the Moscow Police Department reports, which you can find at justiceforall.com, F-O-U-R spelled out, forall.com, page 562 in the MPD reports. Now this is really tiny, hence I put my glasses on. And I'm going to read this from my computer. Well, you can zoom in if you want. So let's go second paragraph down. Once they all woke up, they got ready to blank for the house party. Maddie and B, Bethany, left to go first to P apartment at blank around 2100 hours. Okay, that's once they all woke up. Then it goes on to say that one of B's friend, that's Bethany's friend, Yessie A, who I just said, got to the blank and hung out with her. Bethany stated Y showed up at around 11 o'clock at night. They stayed in one of the apartments for a little longer, and she and Y, Yessie, went up to the main house for the blank fraternity. Bethany stated this might have been around 11:30 to 11:45 at that night. Bethany states, I think it's he hung out in the main part of the house for a while before she left the frat and saw Ethan and Xana in P's apartment. B stated this was around 12:17 a.m. Then B and Y, Yessie, went to A's house again on Taylor. Bethany, stated her, J, H, K, and Y were the only one at the house, whatever house they were at. And then B stated she walked her home around 1 o'clock in the morning, and Dylan and LM were the only one in the house. Is LM Landon Molding? Because it does say he. I don't know. Allegedly, it could be. Not sure. But then Bethany, D, and L were watching Vampire Diaries for a little while, around 1:22 hours. And then L left watching Vampire Diaries. And then Dylan went to her room after L left. I don't know. Then they say that Maddie and Kaylee came home at 2 a.m. I don't know. Maybe Y was going to tell under oath what actually happened. But couldn't find her. But I'm sure some of these friends know where she is. What are your thoughts about this? Now, I've been in court. I know what it's like to subpoena people. But you just don't send a random subpoena if you don't know for sure where they are at. This just seems kind of funny to me. Drop your thoughts below. Be well.